Hello? Hello? There's someone in my house. I need help. There's a man.
Merry Christmas. This is Santa Claus, and you've reached my personal hotline. I'll see you soon. Ho, ho, ho.
She would have understood.
No, you don't get it, Alex. The last 2 months of her life, I didn't even call her. Not even once. Not even on Christmas.
I wasn't even there either, and she was like a mom to me, too.
Yeah, but we're not brothers.
I know that, but you can't pretend like this doesn't hurt me, too. Why do you think I didn't go? Couldn't face everyone knowing it was my fault, too.
Hello?
Hey, man,
I really screwed up on your test. No, hey man, I screwed up too. Stacy's really mad at me. I think it's about time we go back to our normal lives. I agree. There. Now everything is back to normal.